So for my remote students who are at home, I'm going to show you guys how to do this while working through some of the examples on your assignment. So if you're paying attention, you get free answers is essentially what I'm saying. But this is slide 5, so you guys can skip past slide 3. Those are the examples I'm doing with the kids in class. Anywho, slide 5 is number 1. Distributive property is whenever you see parentheses, and if there's a number right next to it, you multiply. So 6 times 3, we're going to distribute it, and then 6 times 4. 6 times 3y is 18y. You just multiply the two numbers and then keep the variable. Keep whatever sign is in the middle, and then do 6 times 4, which is 24. So we've distributed. We still have this, so just toss it back onto the end, and that's what you're going to do in the first text box. It just says simplify using the distributive property. The second text box says simplify even further by combining like terms. Your like terms in this case are these two. So you can combine or do the math on any numbers that have the same variable attached to it or any numbers that are just plain numbers. So we can add that 24 and 2 together, but there's nothing we can combine the y with because there's no other number that has a y. So it'll stay 18y plus 26. And 26 is the sum of these two numbers. And that's it. Let's do another one. All right, so on this one, we have the 3 plus at the beginning. I'll just copy that down. I'm not going to do anything with it yet. Then you have 11 being distributed to both of these numbers in the parentheses. 11 times 2c is going to be 22c. Keep the plus sign from right here. And then 11 times 3 is 33. Then I need to simplify even further by combining like terms. I've got a positive 3 plus 33 at the end, and that would simplify to 36. So I've got 22c, there's nothing I can combine that one with, plus 36. I'm actually going to do one more. I'm going to do a harder one that's towards the end of these. Let's do number 5. A lot of kids were messing up on this one earlier. So on this one, this x does not show multiplication. It's like the variable x. You're going to multiply the 4x times both of those numbers in the parentheses. So the x is going to have to stick with it. There's nothing we're doing here, so I'm just going to copy it down. There's also nothing we're doing here, so I'm going to copy that down. But 4x times 5 is 20x plus sign. And then 4x times 2 is 8x. So now I can combine these. They're both positive, so we're just going to add them up. It'd be 28x's. Then I can combine my positive 1 with my positive 7 to get positive 8, so plus 8. And that's how it's done. You guys need to finish the rest of these slides. And then there's a 4-question Google form. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That's it.